Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech. Today, we're taking a journey back in time with a modern twist as we explore the Camiysn Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Camiysn Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. A keyboard that combines the timeless appeal of a typewriter with the performance of a mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's uncover what makes this keyboard truly special. First things first, let's talk about the typing experience. This gaming keyboard features the classic blue switch, offering medium resistance, an audible click sound, and that satisfying tactile feedback. If you're a fan of that clicky-clack sound, this keyboard has got you covered. Now, let's dive into the world of RGB lighting. The Camiysn keyboard offers multiple RGB light modes to suit your mood and style. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This mechanical gaming keyboard features a convenient USB-A plug-and-play design. It's compatible with various operating systems, including Windows 2000, 7, 8, 10, XP, Vista, Linux, Mac, and more. No hassle, just plug and play. What sets this keyboard apart is its durability. The keycaps are crafted using a two-color injection molding process, ensuring they can withstand the test of time. Plus, the unique round keycaps give this keyboard a distinctive look that sets it apart from traditional keyboards. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its versatility. With 26 anti-ghosting keys and adjustable rear feet, it performs exceptionally well both in office tasks and gaming sessions. Whether you're crunching numbers or conquering virtual worlds, this keyboard has your back. Speaking of convenience, this keyboard boasts dedicated media controls. With the simple press of a function key, you can control media playback, adjust volume, mute, and even access shortcuts like email and your computer's homepage. It's all about making your life easier. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the specs. The Camiysn Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard measures 17.09 by 4.93 x 1.34 inches, and it weighs approximately 840 grams. It's a wired keyboard with a 1.5 meters cable, featuring a total of 104 keys. In conclusion, the Camiysn Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard is a perfect blend of nostalgia and functionality. It delivers that classic typewriter feel with modern mechanical performance. Whether you're working, gaming, or just typing away, this keyboard adds a unique touch to your setup. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Camiysn Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. If you found this video informative or have any questions, please drop us a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and exciting insights. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.